You don't need $1 million budget to buy a 3-bedroom home in San Dimas. Well, you may be thinking, oh, it needs a lot of work. Well, the work's already been done. This is a move-in ready, highly remodeled home. Let me show you the inside. This home is thoughtfully designed across 2 levels. The kitchen, dining area, and living room seamlessly connect with each other, and with these large windows, it brings in a ton of natural light and makes the property feel light and airy inside. This 2-level home gives you 3 beds, 2 baths, and patios that overlook the greenbelt with mature trees and the community pool. With these upgrades at this price, I think this home is going to go fast.